Are you using one-to-one personalized video for your sales, marketing, and service strategies? Personalized one-to-one videos get you a ton of ROI when it comes to communicating with your prospects, leads, or customers. Have you tried Vidyard's GoVideo? Well, if not, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas back with another educational video from SprocketTalk.com. Personalized videos are so important when it comes to communicating with other humans who might need your products, services, or processes. As a matter of fact, they're so important we created an entire course inside of SprocketTalk.com. In that course, you're going to learn how you can customize, how you can storytell, how you can break patterns, and a ton of other items. But this video that you're about to watch is just a sliver where we show you how to use Vidyard's GoVideo to create a personalized one-to-one video that you can then send to that other human, that viewer, to start to engage with your brand. Check out this video, and then if you have questions about personalized one-to-one videos, make sure you head over to SprocketTalk.com and get your VIP Plus access. Hey, let's dive in. So using GoVideo to record a one-to-one video is really simple. First of all, GoVideo is a Chrome extension, and you can simply Google search GoVideo Chrome extension. Once you install it, you're going to see here that there is a screen and webcam recorder, Vidyard GoVideo. And if you're on any page of a browser, you'll be able to go ahead and click on that icon. Now what happens is you do get a drop down that shows up. You get a big record button, and as you can see, I am literally getting a preview of what I'm recording right now. Now you'll see below that you do have where you can do a certain tab, you can do your entire screen, or you can do camera only. So if I hit the tab in here, you're gonna see that now all of a sudden I come down into this little bubble. If I just do the screen, then that's going to go ahead and just record the screen. In this case, I'm going to go back to cam only. Now you're going to see that you can select the HD Pro webcam or any other webcam that you have. The microphone, if you want to adjust this, let's say you have an internal mic and an external mic like I do here, you can come up to this little icon right here, and this is where you can adjust the settings of what mic you want the browser to use. I really do wish they had a drop down select for the mic in here, but they don't. So again, this little icon right here, you'll be able to get to your mic. This little drop down right here, you'll be able to get to your camera. Now there are notifications. These are the different people who have watched your videos. You can easily get to your videos right here, and if you click on your library, it will take you to your entire library. And there is a little icon right here which is settings, and you can see if you're having problems, you can reload or you can email them. There's going to be preferences, show notifications for video views, show recording controls, hide chat widgets, all sorts of things, connected services if you have any, and then your account being able to sign out of it. So if I was going to go ahead and record a video, I could quite literally hit this record. I could then talk to the audience. You'll get a countdown. Well, you know what? Let's just look. We'll hit record. Now we get a countdown. Your recording will begin in 3, 2, 1. You can see that I can record it here. There's a pause button if I need to pause and come back to it. There's a stop button if I want to stop it. And then here is actually if I just mess up or something and want to restart the recording. Good thing is there's a timer here, so you can see how long you've been talking. So if your goal is to only be talking for 30, 60, whatever, 90 seconds, you'll be able to pay attention to that. But we can go ahead and hit stop. Once we hit stop, it's going to actually upload the video into your area. You can see that this tab has changed to Vidyard, and you're going to be able to then title it, obviously giving the title something special for that person. You're going to be able to see other functionality and features that you have in here as far as trimming it. You can move it to a folder structure, you can download it, delete it, and down here you can start to either take a picture or even create an animated thumbnail and different things like that. So that's how easy it is to create a personalized one-to-one video with GoVideo. So as you can see, creating personalized one-to-one videos, it can be super simple, yet super powerful. Make sure that you're looking at your sales team, your service team, and your marketing team and seeing when can we have these micro communicative points in our process. Then figure out if GoVideo is a right tool for you and start to hit that record button and hit that send button so that you can communicate almost like face-to-face, yet in a digital world. And again, if you want to learn more about one-to-one videos and make them an awesome part of your strategy, head over to SprocketTalk.com. Hey, did you like this video? Then make sure you hit that subscribe. Hit that bell as well for instant notifications along the way. Make sure you head over to SprocketTalk.com for more educational resources for sales, marketing, and service professionals. And until next time, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And of course, along the way, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.